So last class we discussed one model. I think that is the thing 1 by integration a plus b cos x integration dx. After that 1 by a plus b sin x, or else integration 1 by a cos x plus b sin x plus c. Like these models, I was already told you, right? What I told you, t is equal to tan x by 2. Then you continue your thing, sin t is equal to 2t by 1 minus t 1 plus t square. Cos t is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Then you continue dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Then do your job. If any case, when there is a 2x will come, just these terms will going to change. You can take t is equal to tan x by tan x, dx is equal to just dt by 1 plus t square. That is the thing, it should going to change. Sorry, 2 dt will come, here should not become. That is the thing should going to be changed. Rest of things all are fine. So now today we are discussing the one more new model. This is the expectation questions in examination. Mostly this model, 90% we may expect the question this model. The model is if the question is integration a cos x plus b sin x plus c by d cos x plus e sin x plus f dx. This is standard model question. The question it should be like this. What I should do? Yeah, e sin x plus f dx. Just a cos x, b sin x, d cos x plus e sin x plus f dx. The question should be like this. Just as like a previous model, please you rewrite of numerator. Rewrite of numerator. What you can do? A cos x plus b sin x plus c is equal to, you have to replace with some other component. That component is a into dy dx of your denominator term. What's the denominator term? D cos x plus e sin x plus f, a into d by dx of this plus b into, then direct to your denominator, no need to do derivation, d cos x e sin x plus f plus c. Okay, once again reminding, this is your numerator. The numerator you have to replace with constant of a into d by dx of, first one is d by dx of your denominator plus b into constant. Just you write your denominator, no need to do any derivation, plus c. So from this you has to be clear. We have a three constants a, b, c. What you has to do? Next step, you derivate a into, you derivate your denominator plus b into your denominator plus c. Then LHS is equal to RHS. After this, your aim is to find out ABC constant values. Your aim is to find what is the value of ABC. How you need to find? Mean just you equate sin x coefficients and cos x coefficients and constants on both sides. What I told you, sin x coefficients, cos x coefficients, constants coefficients. Because why I'm telling directly means, because you are expecting sin x, cos x and constants on both sides. You can compare both cases, these values, you will get ABC values by solving those equations. Clear? This you need to understand the steps. I'll take a live question and we should work. Uh, then we can understand how the things should be going to happening. I think the procedure is very clear. Now let us will take a question, one sample question. I'll take a first question. I think your exercise 6D, the second bit, 6th D, second bit, the third question, this model, third question. Second, I'll come back later. I'm taking third one. The question is what? 2 cos x plus 3 sin x, 2 cos x plus 3 sin x by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. This is a question for us. 4 cos x, sorry, 2 cos x plus 3 sin x by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x into dx. This question is look like a previous model. A cos x plus b sin x. We don't have a c, you take it 0. Nothing wrong in that. Plus 4 cos x plus 5 sin x, a b c d e f. F is not available, you take it is 0. So like this model, it will show as like the previous what I was applied the model. So okay, let us start applying the model which we are learned. What I has to do, take a numerator term, you rewrite the terms. So let us take a numerator. Just please copy with me. 2 cos x plus 3 sin x is equal to, what I have to do, a into d by dx of your denominator. What is the denominator? 4 cos x plus 5 sin x plus 0. I don't want to write now. Then b is equal to, as it is, you copy your denominator, 4 cos x plus 5 sin x plus c. I don't want to do anything. This is the case. Okay. Still is we are very clear about it. Yes. Then you go to next step. LHS is 2 cos x plus 3 sin x. Then a into d by dx of 4 cos x. Cos x means what is the value of that? Just 4 sin x only. Cos x means, sorry, cos x means minus sin x plus 5 sin x means 5 cos x. Sin x means just cos x, but cos x is minus sin x. Clear. Then b write as it is, 4 cos x plus 5 sin x plus c. Okay. Still this no doubt. Just I do derivation for this. I got these results. I don't want to do any other thing. Now let us, I'll take a next step. Compare sin x comma cos x coefficients and constants on both sides. Both sides means left and right sides. Let us, I'll take a question now. Next, I'll take first sin x coefficients. What are sin x coefficients? Left side 3. 3 is equal to, here we have a sin x, right? Minus 4a. This is a sin term we may expect. Here we may expect this 5b, 4a plus 5b. Next, compare a cos x coefficients. Cos x coefficient means left side is 2, the right side is a into 5, 5a plus cos x means 4b. This is the equation. Next, compare constants. What's the LHS constants? Nothing is 0, take it is 0. Right side is C. So from this, we are so lucky because we got a answer is C, nothing you are doing. So fix it is C is correct. So your aim is to find ABC here, out of C where work is done. So C is 0 fixed. Now these two equations you can take, equation number 1 and equation number 2. I think you know, right? Two equations is two variable. How to solve by using any one method? I want the two answers. Let us, I'll try to copy in the next page of these two. Please try to tell me. 3 is equal to minus 4a plus 5b. Next, uh, 2 is equal to 5a plus 4b. 2 is equal to 5a plus 4b. Equation number 1, equation number 2, solve any method, whatever you know, 10th class analysis, solve these two, then I want the answer of A and B. Okay, I think you know how to solve these values. Okay, let us will try to interrogate now. Minus 4a plus 5b minus 2, so minus 3 is equal to 0. 5a plus 4b minus 2 is equal to 0. I'll go for a cross multiplication method. First will be 5 minus 3 minus 4, 5. Next you can take a 4 minus 2, 5, a 4, value of a, value of b, and value of constant. So what I can take, a by ad minus bc, 5 2s are minus 10 minus 4 3s are 12. I write directly. Then b is equal to 3 5s are minus 15, 4 2s are 8, minus into minus plus, already minus is there, keep as is. Next 1 by 4 4s are minus 16, 5 5 is a minus 25. What's the value of this now? 1 by 25 plus 16. It may be 41 minus 41. What's the value of this? 2. What's the value of this? 15, 23. Am I clear? Now you can take A is equal to minus 2 by 41. Then value of B is equal to minus 23 by minus 41. It becomes B is equal to a 23 by 41. I think it's am clear. So A is equal to minus 2 by 41. Clear? So just you do, this is a cross multiplication method. If you're still not clear, cross multiplication method, please go, yeah. It is the 10th class videos also in YouTube playlist. Go to the 10th class, you can watch video, you can clearly understand. Okay, now you got ABC values. Let us, I'll try to copy this. Value of A is equal to minus 2 by 41. Value of B is equal to 23 by 41. Value of C is equal to 0. Now, after you got ABC values, your aim is to substitute. These are all in your uh, here. You need to substitute all these things. Okay, I'm substituting the values. First, I'll take the numerator equation. What is the numerator equation? 2 cos x plus 3 sin x is equal to a into d by dx. After d by dx, what you got? What is this? 4 cos x, right? Minus 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. Am I clear? Plus b into directly we copied, right, your denominator 4 cos x plus 5 sin x plus c. Now let us substitute all values here. A is equal to minus 2 by 41 minus 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus b is minus 2 by sorry plus 23 by 41. Please copy as it is. Let us c is equal to 0. Now this is a place you substitute here in the question. Now let us I'll welcome the question. The question is integration a 2 cos x plus 3 sin x by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x to dx. So just you change your denominator numerator by this value. So I'm right copying all numerator minus 2 by 41 minus 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus 23 by, so sorry for inconvenience, I'm writing directly denominator for individual. So this part by this part I'm writing 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. Next b value 2 by 41 4 cos x plus 5 sin x by I'm dividing the denominator at a time. I don't want to waste the step. Next step sin x plus 0 by this 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. So yeah, the thing is what 0 by something is 0. I don't want to take this. Okay. Now here these are all same. These two are cancelled. Here you should not cancel. Here you don't think anything else. In this step anywhere you can take t is this one. Automatically you'll get this one. No, there's no doubt at all. Anywhere if you take which one? You don't want to take any LCM, right? Denominator. This is a t. Automatically this is a dt. I don't want to take anything. This assumption t is dt. dt by t log t. So why you'll get directly means before already you are taken. You are derivating this. You have got this one. Automatically it will come. There is no doubt at all. But till this step is clear, right? Okay. I'll erase the numerator top portion because I'll be confirm answer here only. Extension I don't want to. So till this is no doubt at all. So d means dt. So after that, this is many problems we work on that d by dt. So next step is here minus 2 by 41. This you take t, this you got dt. So what is this? dt by t. Next 23 by 41 because these are all integration. I left actually. So integration 23 by 41. Nothing is all or cancel. Just only dx you left out. Just u dx. Next portion is 0. Clear? Right. Now 23 by 41 integration of dt by t what nana? Log t plus 23 by 41 integration of dx means what? X plus 0 means 0 only. 0 into dx. This x automatical answer is 0. I left the portion. Now still clear? Next, what do you understand by t nana? This is a what do you t? Please substitute the t value. So answer is minus 21 by 41 log of t means a 4 cos x plus 5 sin x closed 23 by 41 into x plus c. The question of this, the answer will be like this. Okay, still it is clear. So how I was taken the steps one to one, please be watched very clearly. Go back forward video, backward you can watch, you can easily understand. This is the very interesting. The procedure you has to be follow, automatically you will get an answer. So in examination, if something you missed in the procedure answers, no problem, the procedure was at least you get a some minimum marks about it. It's clear. Yeah, let will take a one more question, you will try to work on that. Okay. Okay, next, the question number two is not required this method, I think so. Okay, I'll take a question number two. I'll finish here only. Later, this question is very simple. 9 cos x minus sin x. Question number two. 9 cos x minus sin x. 4 sin x plus 5 cos x into dx. This is clear. So here, this question is look like the same model. What you we are applied already. So this you question you do a regular method, you'll get an answer. I have some logic. There may be answer. This numerator I'll create a numerator. I'm thinking this I rewrite like this: 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. I'm rewriting. Next 4 cos x minus 5 sin x. Please can you check the numerator? The are you getting same thing? Even if I wrote like that, 4 sin x minus 5 sin x. What is what? Sorry, this one we should write it is right. 4 sin x minus 5 sin x. What is this? Minus sin x. We got it. Yeah, I was expanded. Numerator, I split like this. 4 sin x minus 5 sin x I got. No disturbances. Next up, 5 cos x, 4 cos x, 9 cos x. I got it is. Why I split? You have immediate question. Because denominator like this is there. This I take as is. I'll take cancel easy. Just only one term will come. Okay. Okay, I'll continue next step. Integration, I'll separate the denominator 4 sin x 5 cos x by 4 sin x 5 cos x plus integration 4 cos x minus 5 sin x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x, and dx is common. Still clear? So this is very simple one. Now it is very simple. I think you are talented, you can easily identify. This is the value of A, sorry, this is the value of B. You may expect because cancellation means B should come. A means if you take it as T, it should come dt, no doubt at all. Please see that. So it should look like A. I think you may get an answer if you solve this in the same model, before model, you'll get answer. The value of B is 1, the value of A also 1. So I don't know, I didn't do it because if you did, this is the situation will come to you. Okay. Now let us continue next. Yeah, it's cancelled. Now B into integration dx. B into integration dx because I don't want to do B now, right? Just I'm telling integration dx. Next integration, this you take t, it will come dt. So dt by t now. Now integration dx is what? X. Integration dt by t what? Log t plus c. So x plus integration log means this is log, sorry, log t means t, what your assumption? 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus c. Your answer is finished. Even if you take same method, the value of AB you got 1, the procedure is common. Okay. Because every question we cannot expect this we are going to be do like this. We cannot guarantee, we cannot get an idea also. Some question it's possible. If you do very too much knowledge, you can easily grasp it. If nothing is there, blindly you can follow the steps. AB will come to your feet, no doubt at all. Okay. Right. So this I was changed. I'm trying to give one more question. The second thought is previously I left. So today I was finished that questions. Now take 10th question is the same model. Same with 10th question. Now this will work in that. This is little tricky because A, B, C both are exist. C 3 cos x. Now scene will change. The C will come. There's one little tough zone will come. 4 cos x, because c also exists, we has to work on that also. So this is a clear now. Now question is look like the same model. Here are toppers. Let us take this is equal to 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 4 is equal to a into dy dx of your denominator 3 sin x 4 cos x. I'll go little fast, plus b into as it is 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus c. That's all. Don't write, just c left. If you do derivative a into 3 sin x means sin x of derivative just cos x, right? Okay. Cos x means minus sin x. So more minus sin x. Integration of derivation of phi, it's 0. A left. B you don't want to do, as it is you write plus phi. Now plus c. This is the movie now. Okay. Then after this, what your assumption? Your agenda is find ABC values. First you compare sin x team. Sin x means what are the components will come? Left is 2, right is what? 3a, 3 na? Sorry, minus 4a. Sin is here. So minus 4a plus 3b. Am I clear? Next go to cos x. It is 3 left, right? 3a plus 4b. I think so. Clear? Next constants, you equate 4 is equal to 3 into nothing is the right here. You don't need to find out 5a into 0, right? Nothing will come because 0. So only 5b plus c. Okay. This is what the clear now. So after the thing, what is the agenda is from this you can do simple. Just take these two first of all. Equation number 1, equation number 2, and take solve your own. Okay. Same take your same agenda what you all applied previously. Okay. Then you'll get it out 4a plus 3b. 4a plus 3b. You can do it out. I want the answer. Then after that, after getting ab after the solution, just you substitute b, you'll find c value also. Clear? Huh? Clear, right? Okay, or else we'll take an equations in the next page. I'll try to solve it is in the presence of you. You don't want to get the answer. 2 is equal to minus 4a plus 3b. 2 is equal to minus 4a plus 3b. What is the second equation now? 3 is equal to 3a plus 4b. 3 is equal to 3a plus 4b. 3 is equal to 3a plus 4b. These equations you rewrite when you're applying a cross multiplication. Everything should be right hand side. So left hand side or else right hand side. Anything it's okay. Acceptable answers. Okay. Now let us take 3 minus 2 minus 4 3 4 minus 3 3 4. I'm going little fast because this method already we know LKG thing. Constant sites. Let us a by 3 is a minus 9 plus 8. Then b is equal to 3 to the minus 6, 3 4 is a minus 12. 1 by minus 16 minus 10. Anything else please look after. Minus 1 minus 18. This is what? Minus 25. Am I clear? Any doubt it is. Everything fine, right? From this a is equal to just 1 by 25 minus minus cancel. Then b is equal to 18 by 25. Still it's clear? Any doubt? 1 by 25, 18 by 25. Good. Now go for a value of c. We have a relation. 4 is equal to 5b plus c. Am I correct? 4 is equal to 5b plus c. Let us substitute the value of b. 4 is equal to 5 into 18 by 25 plus c. 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja. C is equal to 4 minus 18 by 5. 5 4 ja 20. 20 minus 18 by 5. The answer is 2 by 5. Now value of C is 2 by 5. Now we got all answers ABC. It's very simple. Okay. Now I'll try to say A is equal to 1 by 25. Please tell me. What's the value of B? 18 by 25. What's the value of C? 2 by 5. This values you already know, right? Now let us, I'll try to take a question, I directly substitute because still it's too long for us. So 2 sin x 3 cos x plus 4 by 3 sin x 4 cos x plus 5 dx. Okay, I don't know waste our time because already you know this is a place you need to substitute one value. But the value of a, what's the value of a now? 1 by 25 integration 1 by 25 of your derivation of this one. What's the derivation of this one? Denominator. 3 cos x minus 4 sin x by denominator I'm copying as usually. 3 sin x 4 cos x plus 5 dx plus value of b nana 18 by 25 denominator same you copy, don't do derivative. Yeah, just I'm writing, we know the cancellation, little I'm writing for that. Next step I'll cancel as it is 4 cos x plus 5 dx. What's the value of c nana? 2 by 5. 2 by 5 means nothing is the right. Denominator copy. 3 sin x 4 cos x till 5. One page is out in this only. Okay. So here I do not waste our time. I'll tell you directly because simple answers. Kana, this is cancel. Don't need to waste your time. This is just you take it is t. This is dt. Okay. I'm writing directly answer now. 1 by 25 integration dt by t. It's a log t. I think this is a t nana. This is a dt. dt by t log t. I'm writing directly answer, please. So integration is already out. I was open the bracket. Log of t. I'll try to erase this. 1 by 25 log t. So log of t means this directly writing. 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5. Still clear? Next, 18 by 25. Just integration dx is answer is x. I don't know waste of time. Plus 2 by 5. You don't have an option. Please copy the question. This is extension is available. Please examination. You are so lucky. Whenever the constants will come, you have another task also. What is the another task? This is a one more separate question. This one is separate question because this is already done. This is done. Whenever the constants will come, the movie will change. Okay, we have a extra question for this. I think this question I'll copy in the next page. I'll try to work on that. The question is 2 by 5 integration 1 by, please can you tell me the question? 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. Yeah. Now you are a toppers. This question method already told. If you're not interested, if you're not understanding, please read the previous video. Because previous video, this is a model. Yesterday I told you, at this starting class I told you, the integration, the question is a sin x, b cos x plus c. What he has to do? Sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. Cos x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Then t is equal to sorry x t is equal to tan x by 2. Am I clear, right? Then dx is equal to dt by 1 plus t square. This is what I was mentioned. I have an idea. I think so 2 dt. There you not get 2x means only dt will come. This x means 2 dt will come. This is the values. What are the things are available? Dx means please substitute. Sin x means this you substitute. Cos x means this you substitute. Please continue the rest of part as like in the previous video class. Okay. This problem is a problem of separate problem. So this is what the mathematics of integration. If you understand the process, don't worry about the other people. Okay. It is clear. Thank you. Now I'll give try to one question is homework. In this entire textbooks, only the 4 questions we have, including examples. I'll give one more question. If you clear these 4 questions, definitely examination, you will clear this question of 7 marks. Last question. This is example question in your textbook. That is integration a cos x plus 3 sin x plus 7 by a cos x plus sine x plus 1 into dx. Okay, I think you are very toppers. You can start working. You can over here. Okay, what you have to do? Take numerator as it is, cos x plus 3 sin x plus 7 is equal to a into d by dx of your denominator plus b into your denominator plus c. Okay, just compare both sides. Cos x quotient is 1, so you can relation 1 is equal to a plus b will come. Please take a short notes. And one more relation is 3 is equal to a minus b will come. If you go for a constants, 7 is equal to b plus c will come. After two relations, it's very LKG relations you got. It's very simple. If you solve both two, I got answers. A is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 5. Okay, after these ABC values, you are a very LKG, you can start working directly on the problems. So what you have to do after you got all answers of ABC, the question integration is equal to question something else dx is equal to, we can write directly what is the value of a. I'll try to write it is for the sake of your interest. Better you get more clarity on that integration. 1 cos x, you write it is like this. You can easily understand sin x plus 7 by integration a 1 cos x plus sin x plus 1 dx. Okay, what's the value of a, Nana? What's the value of a? Minus 1. Minus 1 into d by dx. So cos x means say minus sin x means minus cos x by, this is a denominator will come, cos x plus sin x plus 1 plus what's the value of b? 2. Each one derivation of cos x means what? Minus sin x. Okay, sin x means cos x, right? Very good. Okay, next 2 into, as it is, right, cos x plus sin x plus 1 by denominator also same, cos x plus sin x plus 1 to dx plus c value, how much? C. So integration 5 by cos x plus sin x plus 1. Okay, entire thing I won't do. This is a t, this is a dt. This is the same portion called dt by t. T, this is the dt by t log t. I am writing directly answer minus 1 into log of t is cos x plus sin x plus 1 plus 2 into integration of dx, the value is x, so 2x. Next, the entire portion, fifth 5 I took common, so cos x plus sin x plus 1, this is a portion. Now entire this part is finished, so this is a part is left. This question you can take a separate question. Now 5 you should take a common, integration of 1 by cos x, 1 cos x plus 1 sin x plus 1. You think that this question is look like I told you like previous, 1 by a cos x plus b sin x plus c into dx. This you know already, the previous like problem should work. Let us try to show that also. So like this, you start taking the granted and continue that the rest of the part. I don't want to do entire thing. Okay, this is the homework part you can do. If you practice these 4 questions, then you are automatically get 7 marks in your hands. I am guarantee for this. For this method, I think so. We started very fundamental. We work on internal methods. Very clear that is. Still you not clear? Watch the video once again. Okay. Thank you. I think we stop this videos class till this study section. Tomorrow and next class we'll see another method. Okay. Thank you.